Hi, my name is Deepthi and I'm working as a junior XR artist at Bala Aatral Solutions. I have completed my BSc in zoology, after which I came across MAAC and joined it. The faculties at MAAC are really professional and they're really skillful. They were not only mentors in terms of education for me, but even when I had to reach them for personal doubts regarding my career or anything, they were always there to help me out. And MAAC also conducted a lot of events and a lot of competitions like 24 FPS, MAAC Creative League and 100 hours, which gave me a lot of experiences, and it was an opportunity for us to showcase our talents and our skills and compete with each other. So MAAC provided this placement for me, which I'm really grateful for, and I would like to thank them.